How do some people end up getting to work from anywhere in the world? How do they build something that makes money 24 hours a day? Something that makes them money even when they aren't working. Going from broke to boss and finding their bank account got bigger while they slept. What about you? Would you enjoy a life where you weren't startled awake by an alarm clock? And on that morning, when you woke up fully rested, you check your bank account over a hot cup of coffee, finding more money than you had when you went to bed. I would call that success, would you agree?
Yes, and
Then let's talk about how to make a plan where that morning can become a reality. Let me show you how to go from broke to boss. There are many scams out there promising instant wealth. Surely you have seen some, and hopefully they didn't entice you to pull the trigger, leaving you empty-handed, but gladly stealing your money. Also, there are many that believe they are providing real value, but the course or program provides nothing tangible. If this has happened to you, I am sorry. Don't be ashamed, though. Many of these crooks are professional crooks. They get very good at stealing, so you must be careful. This makes it hard to decide between what has intrinsic value and what is a scam. Don't let this stop you from searching, though. There are real opportunities for you to build something that will provide you with extra income and quite possibly give you that perfect morning with the wonderful cup of coffee mentioned earlier. Now it's time for me to make something crystal clear. I am not here to tell you about some course or product that will get you rich. The purpose of this important video is to help spark an idea. I'm here to help you get ideas for building your financial future. Ideas that will start flowing in your mind until you get the one idea that's perfect, the one that will make you rich. So let me ask again, does the type of morning I mentioned before sound good to you? If you can't answer yes, then I'm sorry. This video is not for you. If your answer is yes, then you should affirm it. Let me know by typing yes in the comments right now. Just type yes in the comments. When I see your comment, I will give you a heart, and abundance will start flowing to you. Pay attention, because we will be going over very important information. I will be showing you the key to this type of coffee in the morning. First, let me ask you, how often do you find yourself online each day? Whether it's for work, entertainment, or connecting with others, the internet has become an integral part of our lives. And with the ever-increasing number of people using the internet globally, there's never been a better time to capitalize on its vast potential. You would like a piece of internet money, wouldn't you? All you need is access to the internet, so you already have everything you need. I bet you are watching this on your phone right now. We live in a crazy world where all you need to run a successful business is your smartphone. Once your business is turning a good profit, you can upgrade equipment. For now, there is no reason to start your business with a loss. We are living in a time that has endless opportunities to earn money. These opportunities are at your fingertips because of the internet. These opportunities don't bind you to working for hourly pay either. These opportunities are scalable, creating limitless potential. There are many good reasons besides earning money for starting an internet-based business as well. Let's go through a few of them and get you even more excited about these opportunities. Just keep watching to learn the best one. With a traditional brick-and-mortar business, you're limited by location. You must rely on foot traffic or local advertising to attract customers. But with an internet-based business, your potential customer base is virtually limitless. You can reach people from across the street to across the globe, all with just a few clicks. The internet is always open, unlike a traditional storefront. This allows you to make money while you sleep. Once this happens, you're having that perfect cup of coffee in the morning. Now you might be thinking, but what kind of business could I start online? Well, the options are endless. Whether you have a passion for crafting, writing, consulting, teaching, telling stories, or selling products, there's a niche for everyone in the vast landscape of the internet. From e-commerce stores to digital marketing agencies to freelance services, opportunities abound. but perhaps you're hesitating because you're worried about the technical aspects of starting an online business. Don't let that hold you back. In fact, let's get to the point where nothing can hold us back. Thanks to user-friendly platforms and resources available today, setting up an online presence has never been easier. Whether you are tech-savvy or a complete beginner, there are tools and tutorials readily available to guide you through every step of the process. You can find an answer to almost any question on the internet. Moreover, think about the scalability of an internet-based business. With traditional businesses, scaling often requires significant investment in infrastructure, staff, and resources. But with an online business, scaling can be much more straightforward. With the right strategies in place, you can reach more customers, increase your revenue, and expand your operations, all without the hassle of physical expansion. But the most compelling reason to start an internet-based business is the flexibility it offers. No more rigid 9-to-5 schedules or commuting through rush hour traffic. With an online business, you have the freedom to work when and where you want. Whether you're a night owl or an early riser, you can tailor your work schedule to suit your lifestyle. That lifestyle would do a lot for your overall happiness, and you could have your coffee whenever you wanted. You will be living a dream where stress is not shortening your lifespan. The dream of the life you want most is the #1 reason to start an online business. It's a good thing you're still watching, because the most valuable part of this video comes at the end. You have come this far, so keep paying attention. So why should you start a business making money on the internet? Because the opportunities are limitless, the barriers to entry are minimal, and the freedom it offers is unparalleled. Whether you're looking to escape the confines of traditional employment, pursue your passion, or simply create a better life for yourself, starting an internet-based business can be the key to unlocking your dreams. Do you know the reason why you haven't started an online business? You should not be afraid, but if there is fear, go ahead and face it. Or maybe you simply don't know the right direction. I'm here to help you find that direction. Seize the opportunity that the internet age presents and embark on your entrepreneurial journey today. If you could see into the future, you would see that your future self is begging you to start an online business today. Now, your question is where to start. Before I get into that, let me tell you that this is all free. I'm not here to sell you anything. Well, maybe I am. I'm trying to sell you an idea. I want you to buy into the fact that you can start an online business and become rich, and nothing more. Since I am not selling you anything but an idea, I think it's only fair that you subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button now, and I will give you the real value this video offers. Again, this is absolutely free to you. Thank you for that. Thank you for subscribing. When this video's over, go to the first pinned comment. There you will find a link. It's a simple PDF for you to download. When you download the PDF, you will find an extensive list. Before you look at the list, give this video a thumbs up. That will help this list get to more people, and I will appreciate it. This list contains valuable information about many platforms people use to conduct internet-based businesses. Also, with this list, you will find many ideas of how to make money on the various platforms. You are already on one of these platforms. This proves that you can do it with a little effort. This list is not a complete list of all the places you can make money on the internet. There are many more platforms and programs. There are just too many to possibly list, but it is a very valuable list. Use the list at your disposal, because I simply want you to prosper. See the link below named Internet Business and get started. Since you made it to the end, I would like to know that you got the list. Please type "I made it to the end" in the comments now. I have no way of knowing if you downloaded the list, since there is no sign up or anything. I don't want your email or any of your contact information. All I want is for you to enjoy success in your life. Since you are going to get the list and start making money, go one step further and let me give you a little more guidance. Now that you have the list, go to this video now for the next step in your important journey.